Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to give you a full review of one of my heirloom type rifles. This is my Weatherby Mark XXII or Weatherby 22. You would not know this is a 22 until you held it or saw it for the first time or even shot it. So stay tuned, full review coming, along with some shots at the end. Thanks for watching. Okay folks, here's a close-up of my Weatherby Mark XXII or Weatherby Mark 22. This particular rifle was made for Weatherby in Southgate, California, but actually manufactured in Japan for Weatherby. In between 1974 and 1980 these were made. I don't know the specific date of this rifle, but it's somewhere in there. If you didn't know better and you saw this rifle or saw me holding this rifle, you would swear that it is a big game cartridge rifle because it is patterned exactly the same as the Weatherby Vanguard rifles of that era. As you can see, it has walnut stock with a rollover cheek piece. It has a rose and pistol cap tip there. It has skip line checkering. The scope is just an inexpensive center point scope that I topped on there, a 3x9. But look at the checkering on this wood and this design. The barrel is a 24-inch high luster, high gloss blue finish. And as a 24-inch for a 22, it makes it very, very accurate. And I will show you the target that I shot as soon as I finish this review. The trigger is set at 3 pounds. It is very, very nice. Again, it has a 10-round clip. The bottom metal there is an aluminum housing, but I don't give a darn. Look at the attention to detail and the figure in the wood on a 22 rifle. It even has white and black spacer lines for the recoil pad. Not that a 22 should have a recoil pad, but again, to resemble Weatherby's big game rifles, they put a recoil pad on there. It has an aluminum alloyed receiver. It has a select fire. This is interesting. This select fire lever allows you to go from single shot to semi-automatic. That's semi-automatic. That would be single shot. Boy, it's just an absolutely gorgeous rifle, and it shoots very well. And so I'll roll in a target of a 10-shot group. I took it 50 yards right out here in my pasture. But boy, what a beautiful, beautiful heirloom rifle to be passed down for the ages. Thanks, folks. Well, folks, that concludes this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, leave a comment. I'll have more videos to come, hopefully for your enjoyment. No matter what, God bless you all, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.